Imagine a world where AI-powered art assistants generate personalized masterpieces tailored to your deepest aesthetic desires. Algorithms dancing with paintbrushes, creating a symphony of colors and shapes that reflect your unique aesthetic sensibilities. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel, but the reality of today's art world. Artificial intelligence is making its mark, assisting in the creation of original artwork, restoring faded masterpieces to their former glory, and even predicting future trends in the art market. AI tools are filling in gaps, reconstructing missing details, and breathing new life into damaged works of art. Algorithms are learning to decipher artistic styles and follow the ebb and flow of artistic movements. What's more, AI is stepping into the realm of creation, generating art that evokes emotions, sparks interpretations, and challenges the boundaries of human creativity. Indeed, this isn't just a whimsical dream, it's the cutting edge of art analysis and AI development. However, the world of art is not merely a collection of data points to be analyzed and categorized. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI-generated art, we find ourselves in the midst of an ethical maze. The advent of AI in the art world raises intriguing questions about originality and ownership. If an algorithm generates a masterpiece, who truly owns the copyright? The creator of the AI or the AI itself? And then there's the matter of authenticity. Does art created with the aid of AI diminish the value of human-created pieces? Or does it add a new dimension to our understanding of art? Perhaps the most significant concern is the risk of reducing art to a sterile formula of lines and colors. Art, after all, is an expression of the human soul, a language that transcends words. Can algorithms truly capture this? Artists, art historians, data scientists, and the general public must engage in open dialogue, defining the parameters of responsible AI-driven art analysis and creation. Ultimately, the journey into the art world with AI is not about replacing human artists or replicating masterpieces. It's about harnessing the potential of artificial